Inflation is one of the biggest threats to the value of your savings, especially when it comes to your IRA. If you're watching this, you're probably concerned about how inflation might impact your retirement savings and what you can do to protect your wealth. Let me assure you, you're not alone in this. Many retirees are asking the same questions and looking for ways to shield their hard-earned money. By the end of this video, you'll have actionable strategies that can help you protect your IRA from inflation. Stick with me until the end, and I'll show you one of the most effective solutions that thousands of Americans are using right now. Now, if you're serious about protecting your wealth in the next 2 weeks, make sure to click the first link in the description. I've got a free guide that explains why so many people are turning to gold IRAs to safeguard their savings. Trust me, it's worth checking out if you're looking for proven strategies to protect your retirement. Let's talk about some of the best ways to protect your IRA from inflation. First and foremost, diversification is key. You want to spread your wealth across different assets. Traditional IRAs often have a mix of stocks and bonds, but when inflation hits, those traditional investments can struggle. The dollar doesn't go as far as it used to, and the value of your holdings can erode over time. That's where diversification comes in. Adding assets like precious metals, especially gold, can be a game changer. Gold has historically held its value during periods of high inflation, making it one of the best ways to protect your IRA. When you think about diversification, you want to include assets that don't just follow the ups and downs of the stock market. That's why many retirees are shifting a portion of their IRAs into precious metals, like gold, silver, and even platinum. If you look at the historical performance of gold, you'll see that it tends to rise during periods of inflation, making it a natural hedge against rising costs. The beauty of a gold IRA is that it allows you to hold gold in a tax-advantaged retirement account, giving you the potential for long-term growth without the risk of losing value to inflation. Another strategy to protect your IRA from inflation is to look into Treasury inflation-protected securities, or TIPS. TIPS are government bonds specifically designed to help investors keep pace with inflation. They're backed by the US government, which gives them some security. However, they often don't offer the same potential for growth as other options, especially gold. So, while TIPS are a safe option, they might not be the best choice for building wealth in the long run. Stocks and mutual funds are another option many people have in their IRAs, but they're not immune to inflation. In fact, inflation can actually hurt the stock market by making costs go up, decreasing profit margins, and affecting consumer spending. And the market volatility we've seen in recent years shows that relying solely on stocks and bonds can be risky, especially for retirees looking for stability. Here's the thing. When you include gold in your IRA, you add a layer of protection that other assets can't provide. Unlike stocks or bonds, gold is a tangible asset that's not tied to the performance of the stock market or the economy. That's why it's considered one of the best ways to protect your wealth against inflation. If you're looking for a way to shield your wealth from inflation in the next couple of weeks, getting a gold IRA could be the answer. And it's not just about protection, it's about growing your wealth in uncertain times. Thousands of Americans are turning to gold IRAs for this very reason. Now, if you have $100K or more in your IRA or 401K, or even if you've saved up 5M plus and want to make sure your wealth is safe, this strategy is perfect for you. Take action today by clicking the first link in the description to grab your free guide on how to protect your IRA with gold. To wrap up, protecting your IRA from inflation doesn't have to be complicated. By diversifying your assets, adding precious metals like gold to your portfolio, and making informed decisions, you can ensure that your retirement savings stand the test of time. If you want more insights on how to safeguard your wealth, don't forget to check out the free guide linked below. Gold IRAs are changing the game for American retirees, and they might be the best move for you.